Hi, I am Beaver Buddy. What if a girl searched the whole world to find the meaning of life, only to discover it inside an empty box? At the end of this story, you will find a moral that you will never forget. In a village where every child was given a gift at birth, Yuli received something no one understood. A perfectly square, white box that couldn't be opened. While other children got paintbrushes, kites, or tiny dragons, Yuli stared at her box every day, hoping it would someday reveal its secret. "It's just empty," some said. "Maybe it's broken," others whispered. But deep down, Yuli felt the box had a purpose, meant only for her. As she grew older, she carried it everywhere, in her backpack, under her pillow, even tied to her bicycle. It became a part of her. At night, she'd whisper to it, "Tell me who I am. Show me why you're mine." But the box never moved, never glowed, never even rattled. One day, she met a boy named Krill, who spoke backward and claimed to remember the future instead of the past. He stared at her box in silence. "It is not empty," Krill finally said, tilting his head. "It's holding something you've not found in yourself yet." Then he walked away. Confused but curious, Yuli began a journey. She climbed mountains, crossed seas, and wandered glowing deserts, box always in hand. In a forest of floating leaves, a talking moth named Silar invited her to drink starlight tea. "The box holds your answer," he whispered. Yuli opened the lid. Nothing. Still empty. Her heart sank. "Then it's truly useless," she sighed. Sailor only smiled and fluttered away. She spent years asking birds, books, shadows, even clouds. Some offered riddles, some laughed, but no one could tell her what was inside. Angry and heartbroken, she decided to bury the box beneath a silver tree. "You win!" she cried. "You were never meant to be opened." As she walked away, a sudden wind knocked her down. The tree shimmered, the ground trembled, and when she turned back, the box had vanished. In its place stood a younger version of herself, 6 years old, eyes wide, holding her own hand. "Why did you stop believing?" the child asked. Yuli trembled. "Because I searched everywhere and still I found nothing." The little girl opened her mouth and a light spilled out. "You were searching out there," the child whispered. "But the meaning was growing in here," she said, pointing to Yuli's chest. In that moment, memories rushed back. Her first laugh, the time she comforted a stranger, the dream that made her cry with joy. The box hadn't been a container at all. It was a mirror waiting to reflect what Yuli had become through her journey. The younger Yuli faded gently into stardust. The tree's silver bark turned gold, and in its center now rested the box, glowing softly. When she touched it, it dissolved into petals that danced in the wind, each one whispering a truth she'd lived but never named. Yuli wept, not from sadness, but from understanding. Every step, every tear, every question had been building toward this moment. She returned to her village with no box, but a new light in her eyes. People noticed it, though no one could explain what had changed. Children gathered around her, asking what she had learned. She smiled and said, "Sometimes the emptiest things carry the most meaning." Krill returned one day, backwards as ever. "You found it," he said, walking away before she could thank him. Sailor sent her a glowing feather with a note. "Truth is rarely loud. It waits to be lived, not just discovered." And the tree? It grew taller each year, always shimmering, always silent. Some say you could still hear laughter under its branches. Yuli never tried to replace the box. She no longer needed a mystery. She had become the answer she once chased. Yet, every now and then, she dreamed of a glowing box, waiting silently in a field of stars, smiling just like she did. And each time she woke, her heart was full. Not with answers, but with something better. Peace. Moral: the meaning of life isn't hidden in things. It grows from the journey you take, the questions you ask, and the love you give. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.